With few days to the deadline of the collection of PVCs, the residents of Nnewi North local government have come out en masse to collect their permanent voters card. It's only a matter of weeks to the 2023 general elections, and the collection of PVC determines who will vote and who will not vote on the election day. So AnaedoTV is live at the Nnewi North local government of Anambra State to bring you reports with regards to the collection of PVC. My name is Gloria Ugoke. Keep watching. There's been a massive turnout at the local government area as people struggle to get their voters card. The Nnewi North local government, in partnership with the market leaders of the Nnewi market, has put strict rules to enable the people go get their PVCs, which includes closing the Nnewi market at the early hours of today in order to enable the residents go get their permanent voters card. The transition chairman, Nnewi North local government, Engineer Chris Obiora, encouraged the people to wait patiently as orderliness will help them achieve greater results.
When I came here in the morning, the gate was crowded with these people coming to collect their PVCs, and although with help of our security personnel, as the Nnewi strike force, made way for me to come into the local government. Then when I parked, I came out now and then and addressed them, telling them they have to be very orderly so that everybody will be treated, everybody will handle them, everybody will collect his or her PVC. By so doing, and I also came out with a senior official of the INEC, and we also told them the procedure of the collection. From there, then we asked them to come. We started calling them in word by word, and as you come in, these tables are also arranged in word by word. The general market chairman called me earlier this morning, telling me about the closure, about the exercise that the market has been closed. I said, okay, now I'm coming out to assist to make sure that the exercise will be so successful. And as you can see, it's going on very well.
The INEC staff are doing their best to make sure the people collect their PVCs.
Well, as you can see, it is ongoing, and every effort is being made to see that people collect their PVCs. Well, it is seamless. The only thing is that maybe for reasons of official bureaucracy, it might not be very fast because necessary things must be done before anyone collects his or her own. That's why you see the crowd. But people are willing to collect and they are patient. The INEC officers are even trying too. What you are seeing today is as a result of that reluctance, because when they were at various wards, these are people that could have collected theirs at the various wards. Well, they waited until they brought everything down here and then they started coming, because maybe the closing date is coming near. So you must always expect last-minute rush.
The President General, Otolo Nnewi Community, Honorable Amobi Aduku, speaking on the collection of PVCs, he has always announced in public places for people to go get their PVCs.
I do come here every day. Spend up to 3-4 hours encouraging the staff of INEC, encouraging our people to come out and take their PVC. Not just here. If we go home, me and my colleagues, we do announcement both in churches, villages, go to local government, pick your PVC. So we are encouraging them. The issue we foresee is that our people don't wait. Be online. They will not wait. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, then we go. So we are here to encourage them to stay. It's for our own good, it's for their own good. I'm happy the way they are doing. INEC, they are up and doing. I don't know that they are this good. So on our own part, we do encourage them to do more. Forthcoming election is for good. And the only weapon we have to get it right is our PVC. If we make a right choice, it's for the benefit of us and the children unborn. You will not change from bad to good with mouth. PVC is your weapon.
Others who equally collected their PVCs expressed their excitement towards the development and advised INEC to employ more hands to make the process faster.
Well, actually, everything is going normal. I'm very happy at this particular time. I can be able to collect my own. So what else will I say? So I've been telling people to go and collect the PVC because this is the time to decide who will rule Nigeria. So because this past 8 years or past government, it is not easy with Nigerians. So INEC have been doing their job very well, but I'm advising them to employ more people, more hands, so that when people came, they will collect the PVC without any stress.
My name is. This time we're here at Nnewi, at least I'm very happy that people came out in mass. They turned up at least to pick up their PVC because that is our strength. The PVC is your strength. Your vote is your strength. That is your power. Because if you don't pick it up, you know that to me, I would say that is an offense because that is what you call your strength. You understand? And the PVC, as we all know that today it was declared, I would like to say sit at home for everybody to come around to pick his or her PVC, to pick your what power. So I'm here, I've gotten my own. This is my own PVC. So I left everything I have to do today to make sure I do what I got my PVC. So it's very necessary for anyone, any citizen of the country to pick up his PVC and make his or own decision.
Keep watching AnaedoTV as we bring you more Igbo-centric content. Go get your PVC. Many thanks for watching. My name is Gloria Ugoke.